Okay, here we go. So I have like goldfish. We're gonna fill this just to the top.
What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rex. This video is going to be a little bit different. It's an edit of my kids making their own video. I went to a local park to film a rally car and I brought my kids with me. I also brought the FMS Jimny and the Rock Hobby Commander Wagon. The original plan, if we had time, was to do the cereal challenge that people are doing. Put cereal or some kind of bits in their cups on top of the roof of the vehicles and go trail running and see if they have any left over. We didn't actually have time for that, but the kids made a fun video on their own anyway. One of the funniest parts is one of the kids keeps on eating the treats that are in their cup.
Okay, so guys, we have been driving for a while now, and we started all the way at the beginning there and went all the way there where Kai's waiting for us. And so at home we did install cups like here on the top. Let's see, so we had these little cups and we put tape at the bottom, double-sided, and then we filled it with goldfish. We ate it all, so we're gonna refill now. So I have some in my pocket. Okay, here we go. So I have like goldfish. We're gonna fill this just to the top. Hi. We only have a little bit left, so I think we were able to put them in mine. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna shove that back into my pocket. Okay. Let's get driving. Whoa. I'm heading into this deep. Gonna give it a little helping hand here. Just gonna move it out. Gonna try this. I want a little snack here. We're gonna head on to the grass here. I'm gonna switch to my guy's doing some tough stuff. Tall grass. Is he waving? While he was filming, we just took these and just decided, hey, bye. Welcome. We don't need any more. Why? Because we have no more goldfish. Do you have any more? A little bit. Into the miniverse. Miniverse. Kai, wait up 1 second. Stop there for a second. Into the miniverse. Give it a little boost. Pretty good.